Forget death by gravity today. We're mastering the potion of slow falling. First things first, grab your brewing stand. This is the heart of all potion making now. Place any 3 glass bottles filled with water into the 3 brewing slots at the bottom. Next, to fuel our brewing stand, we need blaze powder. Place some blaze powder into the top slot. You can get blaze powder by defeating blazes in nether fortresses and then crafting their blaze rods. Now, for our base potion, awkward potions, place some nether wart into the top slot. It will begin to brew, transforming our water bottles into these magical awkward potions. Once those awkward potions are ready, it's time for the star ingredient, the phantom membrane. You can get these by defeating phantoms, which are hostile mobs that spawn when you sleep too much without encountering mobs at night. Place the phantom membrane in the top slot. Watch closely. As the phantom membrane brews, your awkward potions will transform into potions of slow falling. This potion grants you the ability to fall slowly, negating all fall damage for a short period. And there you have it, your very own potion of slow falling. Perfect for exploring tall structures, escaping dangerous situations, or even pulling off some daring aerial maneuvers. Experiment with modifiers like redstone to increase the duration or glowstone to boost its potency, but for now, enjoy your feather-like descent.